Chapter 8, Sloka 25. Dhumo Ratristata Krishna hai. Dhumo Ratristata Krishna hai. Dhumo Ratristata Krishna hai. Shanmasa Dakshinayanam. Shanmasa Dakshinayanam. Shanmasa Dakshinayanam. Dhumo Ratristata Krishna hai. Shanmasa Dakshinayanam. धूमो रात्रिस्तथा कृष्ण है षण्मासा दक्षिणायनम। 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 तत्र चांद्रमसंज्योतिः। तत्र चांद्रमसंज्योतिः। तत्र चांद्रमसंज्योतिः। योगी प्राप्य निवर्तते। योगी प्राप्य निवर्तते। योगी प्राप्य निवर्तते। तत्र चांद्रमसंज्योतिः। 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 योगी प्राप्य निवर्तते। धूमो रात्रिस्तथा कृष्ण है षण्मासा दक्षिणायनम। तत्र चांद्रमसंज्योतिः। योगी प्राप्य निवर्तते।
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.